Hey guys, what's up? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing September and October's Boxycharm box. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. We may try on some of the items if we can, but nevertheless, this is what this video is about. So if you want to see what I'm going to be talking about in this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll greatly appreciate that. And without further ado, let's jump in and see what's in these two boxes. So if you're not aware, Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size name brand products each month. It is super amazing, you guys. You guys need to get your hands on it if you haven't already. But that is what this is all about. So I haven't done a unboxing for September, so I just decided to wait till October to just combine them both together because you guys do like when I do the monthly subscription boxes from Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and dig into the September one. The September one, I actually received my box and I looked in and I was like, okay, let me just wait for October. But I noticed that the item that I saw first in here was the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, and it actually came broke. You guys can see that. It's actually like a pretty, like really pretty, like rosy, pinky color that you can just put a little color on the cheek and it'll be really pretty. So that's what it looks like on my hand, if you can see that. The September box theme was Wildflower, and that particular Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten was retail for $28. The next thing I'm going to pull out, I see here for the September box, is a 3 brush duo. These are from actually Alamar Cosmetic brushes. Cool, because we actually received an eyeshadow palette from them before, so I'm intrigued to see how their brushes would actually do. Let's see what they feel like. Oh, this crease brush is actually pretty soft. Yeah, they're pretty soft. So that is cool. I actually will not lie to you guys. When I got the September box, I was like, okay, I'm going to wait till October to actually do the unboxing. But I did take the lippy out. This is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dusty Rose. And it looks like this. It is gorgeous, you guys. You guys know I love liquid lipsticks. And it's a plus if they're like a mauvey pinky color. Rosy color, gorgeous. And this one is super comfortable on the lip and it did last all day, so I can tell you that about this liquid lipstick. The next thing I see in here is a Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner, and oh, it has that little ball on it. I believe MAC has a liner like this too, with that little disc on the bottom to like roll on. I love vintage stuff. This one has a black eyeshadow in here at the bottom called All Nighter, and I actually received this with the color coming out and everything like that. It's like a little bit that's like shedding here, but this is what this looks like. And it has a mirror at the top and like this little castle type of thing. This palette is definitely a cool tone palette. I'm not really into cool tone palettes, but that's what this one is. I'll be willing to try it though. But this one is a cool tone palette. I guess because the fall and winter months are coming up, they're going to be putting like some cool tone stuff in there just to broaden our horizon, which I think is really cool and really exciting, so we can try different things. But again, this is the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette that came in September's box. The Pretty Vulgar palette was retail for $35. The brushes retail for $18 for those 3. The Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick retails for $19, and the Butter London Roll-On Liner retails for $19. So this is a good box actually. $21 for all of these things. Amazing. So that is that one. Now, being as though this is October, almost the end of October, yikes. This year's almost over. And the month theme for October is Alter Ego. It has this really cute picture of a couple of girls on here with like some smoky eyes and some dark vampy lips. This one is super cool, and there's a 10% off coupon for IT Cosmetics, so that's cool for that one. Ooh, okay. A lot of things in here. This one actually is like really packed neatly compared to some of the other. My other one broke. That was the first time I ever received something broke. So the first thing I see here sitting in the jar is Green Clean Makeup Meltway Cleansing Balm, made exclusively for Boxycharm. This is the Pharmacy. Okay, Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Let's see. This one retails for $22. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrating and smooth. Cool, because sometimes a balm kind of like scares me a bit, because you don't want a balm that's going to leave your face really greasy and just thick feeling. You want it to be lightweight, airy, and also leaving your skin hydrated. So I'm excited to try this out. Unfortunately, I would not be able to swatch or do anything with that. But it smells, ooh, it smells like green tea. I love a green tea smell, honey, or a fresh scent. So that is that by Pharmacy. When I saw this going around on Instagram, I couldn't believe it. Look, I can't even get my words out. But I was super excited because I'm like, I love Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, and that is one of the things that are in this box. Ah! I got the shade K-Dub. I was so about to buy, I think this was the same color, or what was the shade that I saw in Sephora? Oh, LUV. I think it was Love. LUV is like this purple shade. Okay, I'm super excited about this. This is what it looks like in the packaging. I'm always trying to find like different colors. I know that I stick to mauvey shades and things like that, but ooh, this is really pretty. That's how it looks swatched. Super pretty, like pinky purplish color. It has a blue undertone, so it's like a really pinky purple color. Once it dries, then we'll see for sure. But I'm excited about this. I'm super excited. Again, this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. These retail for $20. But I do see this Superhero by IT Cosmetics Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I've heard great things about this mascara, as well as used it before. I actually have the travel size one. I'm tripping. I use the travel size one. I love this one for the bottom of the lashes. I don't want to open it up because I have so many mascaras that are open right now. So I like to have mascaras on standby. But I do like this IT Cosmetics Superhero one, especially for the bottom lashes, because they definitely like get each of those lashes and allow them to be volumized and lengthen the bottom lashes. So that is a good one in this box. The IT Cosmetics eyeshadow or eye mascara retails for $24. Sorry about that. And then I see something else in here. This one I've never tried before is Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. I've never seen this before. A compression for deep exfoliation. I feel a tube and I feel this thing here. This retails for, I'm going to actually read this one, for $30. Wow. Dermovia, it's a lace peel black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. The detoxifying charcoal peel mask and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel pass in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. This right here will probably take those pores and that debris out, child. But it looks like this. I've never seen these before. Comment down below if you tried these before, if they're suitable for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on this and then get back to you guys about it. Both boxes are pretty good. This one I think October like rained on September's. The next thing I see here is a cute like packaging. Pure Cosmetics. I love Pure eyeshadows. Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Looks like this. That's the packaging. Let's open this up. This one retails for $38. Oh, this is expensive, honey. Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Oh, it has eyeshadows and blushes. So that's what the packaging looks like. Oh, I love this like gold and white detail. Ooh, this is so pretty. It has like this mirror. It has 6 eyeshadows. So 6 eyeshadows here. And 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter. 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter. Oh, let's swatch some of this. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm intrigued to try this green shade here. So let me go ahead and swatch that. Ooh. Pure doesn't let me down. Look at that green. They go on so smoothly. I'm gonna try the purple. not bad, not bad. The green, that green really spoke to me because I have a couple of blues and stuff already in my collection, but this green really spoke to me. But the packaging is super cute. This is so cute. And Pure has really good eyeshadows and things like that, so you guys check them out. Not sure if this one is exclusively sold for Boxycharm, but yeah. That is everything in the October box. So yeah, that is everything that I wanted to show you guys and unbox here on my channel, the September versus October Boxycharm box. So if you enjoyed me doing the unboxing with those two boxes together, give this video a thumbs up so I'll know that you guys like when I do the monthly Boxycharm unboxings. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.